I think the core of what I want my kids to learn is offered here. I want them to learn to read well, to write well, and ultimately to learn about God, to point them to Christ.
I believe that the education here is top-notch, and that my kids will be able to think and reason and have logical arguments, as they grow, and they'll be able to go into any field that they want with the background of the classical model.
Hi, I'm Brandon Neely, pastor and principal here at Christ Church Academy. Deciding what school to send your children to can be one of the most difficult and important decisions a parent ever has to make, and we want to make that easy for you. At our open house, you'll be able to meet our teachers. You can also tour our facilities, take a look at the curriculum, and meet some of the other parents that are engaged in educating their children. And hopefully catch the spirit and see a bit of what we're building at Christ Church Academy.
If you want a truly Christian education that teaches all of Christ in all of life, which truly matters, and if you want kids that can stand firm through the trials of this world, this is the school for you.